Tell the people hi. Wow, you are so rude.
Yes, may I have a cheese Danish, also a vanilla sweet cream cold brew with.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Do you guys see that? Listen. Ew. I'm at work. Today is May. Was it the 12th? Something like that. I don't know. I'll put it like right here, something like that. Yeah, I'm at the barbershop today, working. See this? I love my Skims cotton t-shirts, but when I'm in a hurry and I do my makeup in a hurry, and like I'm looking down, or like I move my face a lot, and I got it on my. Whatever, I'm very clumsy in the mornings, so it shows. I was out of the house at like 8:30 this morning, which is crazy because on my Saturdays now, I've been going to Alt Space and don't have to get there till 2. So yeah, my line of sleep is totally different. I'm gonna touch on what I said in my last vlog. I was saying I was gonna do a Namika haul for you guys. I did a Namika haul for you guys. Hated the haul, erased everything, so I'll be doing another one. But it'll be an actual individual video. It won't be in my vlog because like it was really long. And I was like, y'all are not gonna listen to me talk about new products for like 10 minutes, at least not in the vlog. So I mean, maybe you will, but I'm not gonna try it. I have my venti, what is this? I never remember the name. It's a vanilla sweet cream cold brew, and I get it with sweet cream cold foam. It's a venti. Let me show how crazy I am. I got a caramel fat from McDonald's. It's like I have my coffee, and then I have my coffee flavor. Variety, you know. I am getting really slim in the face, but that's because I haven't been eating. But yeah, anyway, my hair is growing. Let's see. Look at we're getting somewhere. I don't know if it's the same on this side. Oh, okay. Look at that. The shrinkage is a real thing. And I have a piece of hair back here, and it's right there. So yeah, it's growing like severely because I think I cut all of my hair to like right here. I think I got about here. I don't know. There's so much going on. I'll talk to you guys when there's something tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's Mother's Day, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
There we go. Good morning.
Got me thinking just too much. I wanna
Hey guys, happy Monday. So, me and mom just got finished gardening a little bit, just a little something, you know, because I did vlog when we went to pick up the flowers. I just have to plant my dahlia, and then I'm waiting on my orchid. I got an orchid in 2020, and she's been blooming like she won't stop blooming, but that's great. But I have to wait for her to go dormant again so I can repot her because her little legs are sticking everywhere. It's creepy looking. But yeah, we finished that. I don't think I like put it out there, like in a nutshell. Okay. What was Christmas? Was Christmas on, I think Christmas was either on a Sunday last year or a Saturday. Either way, the week of Christmas, okay, like the week before Christmas, the week of Christmas, so what would it be, like 4 or 5 days before Christmas? One of them, anyway. Like Sunday, I was vlogging for you guys. That whole weekend I was vlogging for you guys because that's when I went to go see zoo lights, and I was freezing, and I went to my alma mater high school, and we went to like a Christmas concert that night. That was on the Sunday. On that Sunday, I was talking to my brother. We were on the phone because he had been with his girlfriend. He was doing work stuff, and he was also with his girlfriend because he was supposed to get married in March. So, you know, they was doing wedding stuff. Either way, Monday, I don't know what I was doing on Monday. I don't know. Like, I never know. Monday was chill. I think I was just like wrapping gifts or whatever. Got a phone call Monday night from brother's fiance that he collapsed. Okay. Obviously that night we got to the hospital. Turns out out of nowhere, the doctors had no idea. Okay, like had no idea. My brother did not have any heart problems, anything like that. He had a massive heart attack, and he had to be resuscitated basically, I think like 18 times, which is it's extreme. And you guys have seen my brother on this channel. Like he was tiny, you know, but he just kept fighting. Yeah, Tuesday he was declared brain dead, and Wednesday, December 21st at like 2 in the morning, his heart stopped. So yeah. And then obviously that weekend was Christmas. So that was a lot. That was traumatic. Okay, that is traumatic. And I never stopped vlogging. Like I never stopped filming. I gave you guys, I kept Vlogmas going. Yeah. Which now sounds insane. I think I just needed something to do to hold my mental capacity. Like it's like I have a task, it needs to be done. But yeah, I just never stopped vlogging. I finished out Vlogmas. I vlogged through this year. You guys have seen his memorial service, well, parts of it that I could get. Yeah, just so much has happened. And finally, subconsciously, I guess, I just slowed down filming. It wasn't like a major decision that I made or anything like that. And I don't even think I took like a huge break, but because I mean, I didn't. Like, you guys kept getting things. I even did my makeup looks for Valentine's Day. So like, I just kept going. And so now I am slowing down and not making everything on any social media platforms a priority. Like when I go out to dinners and things like that, I mean, I take pictures of the food, like you guys are gonna see that, but yeah, I just don't. Yeah, there's a huge portion of you that just goes and it's trippy. And so you end up learning how to relive and how to be a new person, like you're yourself, and people still look at you like you're yourself, but you don't look at you like you're yourself. There are several times where I'll look in the mirror and I don't know who the heck I'm looking at. It's a trippy experience. It's very trippy. And so just trying to refine things that might give me joy, because it took, you guys are getting videos, but it took me a really long time to even be happy. Like, it was not giving me any type of joy, but nothing was giving me joy. Like, I'm still, a lot of things that I do, I just don't care. It's not as melodramatic as everything is meaningless, because I don't believe that at all. But I do have a level of, what's the point, you know? So, yeah, I apologize, because but I have been, I'm looking at the stuff that I have purchased to give a video to you guys. Like, I have like, what, 4 different videos that I need to film for y'all. We're there. But yeah, I'm just had to get that out there, because I don't think I've ever actually just said it. I don't think I was in the right headspace to say it. I don't think I was emotionally okay to speak on it. But yeah, either way, I'm literally gonna stop rambling, and I'm gonna do some retail therapy, because that's been the theme of this year. And I'll see you guys when there's something more to say and do.
She look like 90s R&B. Her friends like SWV. Took the weave out and left it short. It still look hella good to me, baby. I'm the secret biggest fan that's staying friend. We can chill with everyone. I need some more intimate. I'm a taste my dog and touch you, get off in. While I'm plugging to the beach, baby, join me if you can. All these years never said a thing. Knowing me is probably not hard to tell.
Off all those creepy things.
I know, I got so many.
I like how this is covered now. Hey guys, happy Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday. Me and mom are just out and about. We just went to the, what is it called, the car wash? I don't know why I'm getting brain fog. Don't look at my nails, y'all. Like, don't look at my nails. This is my normal iced coffee. They were just doing like normal grocery store runs. This vlog is very like domestic. We're just at Home Depot at the moment. Mom has to return something. But like, yeah, we've done like gardening and like all types of stuff in this one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy a domestic vlog. Like, I have work tomorrow at the shop, and then of course alt space on Saturday, which is low-key hard because Saturdays are when everyone else is able to have their free time to go to alt space, because they have their normal job, like they have their other jobs, I wouldn't say normal, but other jobs throughout the week. So they're able to physically come to alt space on Saturdays because, you know, it's a Saturday. But for me, being a cosmetologist working at a barbershop, Saturdays are the busiest day of the week. So Saturday is not a free day for me to just get up and, oh yeah, I'm just gonna go to alt space. Like, it's actually really hard for me to balance that. Luckily, a lot of my clients are really like cool, and I'm able to schedule them like on Fridays and Thursdays. But I'm like, bruh, dang, it's busy. It's like real busy. Talk to y'all a little bit later.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga, either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want, like you.
It was too low. Oh, magnify the Lord.